Empire Meet.
Stop us up, guys.
The most notorious car and bike meet in London.
Yeah, we're not stopping.
Last time I made a video like this happened. Today the plan was simple. Meet Oz and Reg in Central, link up with Brad on the way to the meet and have a good night. But it wouldn't be a normal night in London without a few complications and some sticky situations. This was a hot one.
This is the video what YouTube are f***ing for. She gave me a heart back. I'm marked with 4 in there. Yeah. Welcome to a new video, guys. We're back in London. We've linked up with OZR7 and... What was your name again on Instagram?
Reg.
Oh, Reg, of course it is. How could I forget? As always, guys, not as always. As of now, we got to do disclaimers, so please don't replicate anything you see in video. Everything you see on screen is performed by trained professionals. With that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. Check out braplife.co.uk. New hoodies are in stock. Let's get to it. Right, here we go. We're gonna hit a strip first. Always wants to get a little session in. Need to start warming up for these days. Little stretch and that.
The muscles are loose, yeah?
Alright, well, we're straight to it then. You like it stealth mode? Did you have an exhaust on it before?
Yeah.
Oh, you did? Oh, so you did change the stop.
Yeah, I had a tote, so it's like the
Oh, f***ing hell, that one's well loud, isn't it?
So I've gone from one extreme to the other.
Yeah, yeah. Little petty station stop. And there's a flipping Ferrari over here, look at that. Wow. Do you mind if I get a photo next to your car, mate? Legend. Where are you off to? Just uptown, not downtown. Oh, look at this, guys. Yeah, there you go. What is it you do for work? Oh, mate, if it is, I'll get you some promo. Feel like it's my duty to stand guard now. Imagine leaving that out here in London. Yeah. Cheers for that, mate. You'll see me one day pull up next to you. I'm on the come up right now. See you later. Legend. Imagine he's like a terrible profession, like kidnaps. I'm not gonna go any further because YouTube will demonetize me. If I ain't already demonetized for speaking, it's actually like being with Brian 636 where you're here. Get the American accent. This guy's from America. I haven't actually spoken to him about that. I'll catch up. Yo! Where we going to the strip right now? Is he going to kidnap us? This is the one where you decided to take out all your anger on a green Kawasaki. Good job we ain't got green bikes.
We had a green bike today, maybe it would happen again. Usually there's no seconds.
Yeah, mate, he was close, wasn't he?
The peak to the side and then the bike to the wheel with.
Yeah. You don't even have to come up and hold, just come up, boom, back down. Easy as that.
The sun set as planes flew over us.
Cinematic.
While we waited for the first location to drop, Reg took the twin for a spin and Oz got some practice in.
Oi!
Then this guy showed up.
Let's see it then. Where's the damages? This guy dropped it off the paddock stand after putting the fresh carbon fibre on it. Feeling better now though, yeah? Oh, he's still fuming. I want to move it back a little bit though. He's known for...
Yeah, he's known for one.
As the sky turned dark, the mood changed. There was something in the air tonight and I could tell it was about to get tasty.
Right, we're now on the way to the Empire meet. I think we're going to stop somewhere first and wait for the next location to drop. Shit, here we go. Oh, I need to start that song again for this road. Do it again, nice one. He's pissed that none of them are flashing. Oh, squeezy. It's gonna get squeezy. There's so much of this video that I'm just not going to be able to use. Where are we going, by the way? Just letting me know, yeah, please, there. I was thinking, what does that mean? Is he gonna flip his plate and like go completely innocent mode? Nah. Make sure he wheelies faster. Harris. Oh, we need to keep it moving. Where's he gone? Oh, we can't stop moving either because we're all flipped. I'll get caught lacking around here. Flipping a Lambo truck right there with a barcode on it. Little Lamborghini right around here as well. Flipping hell, who's in that Batman?
As we made our way further into the city and closer to the meet, we may or may not have ended up in a situation where we may or may not have had to lose some unwanted attention.
Yeah, I'm just working on it. There's a lot of there's just a lot of traffic, a lot of cars pulling out. I'm marked with 4 in there. Yeah.
After speaking to a few people, we found out we wasn't the only ones dealing with complications. Police had shut down both meets so far, handing out fines, making arrests and seizing vehicles. Tonight was a hot one and it had only just begun.
Huh?
No car in today.
Oh, it was back there. Yeah, it was in Piccadilly. He's done me an absolute solid for doing that with his plate. Now I can film this, taking the views, and not have to worry about blurring. If you like these kind of videos, guys, make sure you like and leave a comment. And if you do need a new hoodie, check out braplife.co.uk because there's a chance YouTube's not going to like this one. Cool. We're alright. Oh, this is long because I've got no wiggle room. Ah. Oh, did you keep going? This is a bit techie. That wasn't actually too bad. I was going over most of them mirrors. Except that one. Oh my god, that was right in line. Huh? Following him. No one knows. I could do it putting a fiver in this. What do you like on fuel? Yeah. So did you start stunting in England or in America? You did, ah. So you don't go back and visit or anything? No, no. I need a chocolate bar or something. A little something to snack on. I don't know what though. What are you looking for? Hula hoops? Oh, you just gone like that. Like you don't even care. You just want to grab something and get out of here. That's probably the worst thing that you could have picked up though. Just want a little chocolate bar or something. Maybe I want cookies. They're soft. I really don't even want these cookies. Alright, we are on the move. Oh, okay. It's that time. You're such a loose star. Guys, look how nice that bike looks. I think if he ended up on an R1, it'd only be right if he got it all in grey. He's not loving it. She gave me a heart back.
And there it goes, a crazy clip, disappearing into the night, never to be seen again. But before I could shed a tear, we arrived at the meet, just moments before some uninvited guests showed up and crashed the party.
This is where it was the other day. Not the other day, but the first time actually. The video that got removed. I'm back for revenge. Flipping hell. Alright. I'm gonna switch over my SD card, save this battery in case it gets into like a emergency situation. We've got to get out. All kinds of cars here tonight, guys. Probably pointing at this. You lot are probably gonna go crazy at me if I don't. This one here. So yeah guys, this is full circle. This is the video what YouTube have f***ed me for and throw me in YouTube jail. This is what got me my 1 week ban, or not this one, but the first video, the first time we come down here. Choppers up guys.
Our hellos were cut short and it was already time to leave. The police had arrived.
Okay, it's time to go. Yeah. No time for gloves. Yeah, we're not stopping. Alright, guys, I think we're just all cutting. Alright? Yo! This guy just sitting in the fast lane doing less than the speed limit. Yeah, it was getting a little bit hot, and oh no, I just had a feeling, you know, it's midnight, everyone that I was with was going back, so decided to call it, guys. But if you enjoy this content, make sure you leave a comment, leave a like, because yeah, we already know. Check out BrapLife.co.uk, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.